Boom! Shure MV7. This is a podcast live streaming gaming microphone. It's professional. It sounds good. It's USB and XLR. Boom! 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 Welcome to better sound. Oh yeah! Boom! Boom! Your quick start guide. You got the installation link to download the app. Oh yeah! Here's the microphone right there. Boom! This is an all-metal microphone. Wow, it's a good weight to it. I like it. This is robust. This is quality, my friend. Boom, the Shure MV7. Oh, wow, that's some nice microphone fabric material right there. Turn this around and look at that. You're ready to rock and roll. That's upside down because there we go. Now it's right side up. You have your touch controls up here. Oh, that's some sweet touch control. Nice. Back here, you have your headphone monitoring port. You have your XLR output, and you have your micro USB port right here. So you can use digital with the micro USB, or you can go analog with the XLR. This thing is solid. This is a Shure MV7 simple microphone. You got your connection port right here. It comes with the stand right this. It's simple. It's easy. This thing is solid. Now it has software that allows you to be able to tune this thing and optimize it with one click. This thing auto calibrates, so no matter if you're far or close to it, you will get the best sound. Now Shure makes very high-end microphones, and this is one of them. Now they even have another model that was very popular. You might know what it is. It's is it SMB or something like that, right? The more popular one that they make, you actually have to spend a lot of time to tune it so that it sounds really good. But when you tune it, it sounds great. This one takes all the tuning effort out. You don't need that. This thing has software that auto-tunes it, so it sounds great out of the box. Whether you use XLR connection or whether you use USB connection, this thing is going to be a solid choice for podcasting, live streaming, content creation. This is the microphone that people rave about. This thing will make your voice sound super solid, like a radio announcer voice. Welcome to RS radio station. This is the podcast microphone from Shure, the MV7. You know what I'm talking about? It gives you that radio podcast voice right here on this thing. Inside the box right here, you got, boom, this is a collet right there. Boom, and you got two cables right here. Micro USB to USB-C. Boom, this is a long cable that does micro USB to USB-C right here. You also have another cable over here. Boom, this one is USB-A to micro USB. So that's everything that comes in the box. So this micro USB port right here, if you use this cable like this, now you have a USB-A connection to your computer. Or if you want to use this other cable, with this other cable right here, you have micro USB on one side, boom, and this other cable will give you USB Type-C right here. So pretty cool, right? That is a Shure MV7 right here. Pretty solid microphone that has software that will change the way you use a podcast microphone. You eliminate all the guesswork. This one connects to USB-A, USB-C, or XLR, and you have a headphone monitoring port as well. This is a Shure MV7 right here, and it's sure to impress you. Let's go. Oh yeah.